Hi everyone! My name is Bailey. Do you know what these are? That's right, these are all butterflies. Butterflies come in many different colors and sizes, and they are all very cool. So, let's talk about what makes butterflies special. All butterflies share some of the same important characteristics. First, all butterflies are considered insects. An insect has 6 legs and 3 parts to their body: a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. One more time: a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. All butterflies have 4 wings that come in 2 symmetrical pairs. These wings are covered in rows of tiny, colorful scales. Each type of butterfly has its own unique colors and markings. This is how we can tell them apart. Can you think of another animal that has colorful scales? Yes! Fish and snakes have colorful scales too. Butterflies also have short lifespans, which means these beautiful insects do not live very long. In fact, most butterflies only get to live for a few weeks. Some lucky ones can live up to a few months, but in general, the average lifespan of a butterfly is very short. Here is a fun fact. Did you know that bigger butterflies live longer? It's true! Bigger butterflies actually live longer than their smaller friends. Butterflies spend most of their time in warm weather environments. If the weather is too cold, butterflies will often migrate. This means that they will move to a warmer environment. When an animal or insect has a blood temperature that is dependent on the weather, we call that animal or insect cold-blooded. Many reptiles, fish, and insects are actually cold-blooded. Butterflies look for warm weather environments because they are cold-blooded. They cannot fly if the weather temperature becomes too cold. Butterflies can also do some amazing things. For example, did you know that butterflies can taste with their feet? It's true! When butterflies land on things like flowers, they are tasting them with their feet. So, anytime a butterfly lands on something, they know if it will taste good or bad. Let me tell you another one. Did you know that butterflies are experts at hiding? It's true! These butterflies are camouflaged. To be camouflaged is to hide by matching the colors around you. Some butterflies even use their camouflage to look like other animals. This butterfly looks like it has a big set of eyes on its wings, which makes it seem like a large, scary animal instead of a butterfly. One more. Did you know that there are over 18,000 different kinds of butterflies? It's true! There are so many kinds of butterflies, and they can be found in 6 out of the 7 continents. The only continent that does not have a butterfly is Antarctica. This is because Antarctica is too cold. Now, let's talk about something really special that all butterflies share. Butterflies are not born as butterflies. Instead, all butterflies have to go through 4 steps to become butterflies. This is called the butterfly life cycle. So, let's learn about the 4 steps that a butterfly needs in order to become a butterfly. Step 1. A butterfly starts out as an egg on a plant. It looks like this. Did you notice that these eggs are all a little different? Different kinds of butterflies all lay different kinds of eggs. Step 2. The egg turns into a caterpillar. During this time, the caterpillar has one big job. It has to eat a lot of food. This will give it strength and energy for the next step. Step 3. When a caterpillar is ready, it makes a chrysalis. The caterpillar will stay in the chrysalis for 5 to 21 days, where it will go through some very big changes. When the changes are done, then it is time for step 4. That's right! At step 4, the caterpillar comes out of the chrysalis as a butterfly. All right, let's see if you remember. Which is the first step? Is it an egg or a chrysalis? Right, it's an egg. Butterfly eggs come in many shapes and sizes and are unique to the butterflies that laid them. What about step 2? Is it a butterfly or a caterpillar? Right. Step 2 is when the egg becomes a caterpillar. And caterpillars have one very big job. They have to eat enough for their big change. Is step 3 a chrysalis or a caterpillar? That's right, it's a chrysalis. A caterpillar turns into a chrysalis when they experience their big change, which means step 4 is right, becoming a butterfly. A caterpillar leaves the chrysalis as a butterfly. Great job, everyone! These are the steps to the butterfly life cycle. All right, so let's review what we learned about butterflies today. Question 1. Do you remember what the 3 parts of an insect are? That's right. An insect has 3 parts. Its head, its thorax, and its abdomen. Question 2. Do you remember what the wings of a butterfly are made of? Right. Rows of small scales. Like fish and snakes, Butterflies have rows of colorful scales on their wings. This is how a butterfly gets its color and how we can tell them apart. Last question. Question number 3. Do you remember why butterflies like the warm weather? Is it because they don't like the cold? Maybe warm places have better food? Or that they are cold-blooded? Right. Butterflies are cold-blooded, so they need to stay warm to survive. Great job! Butterflies come in all sorts of shapes and sizes and are an important part of our planet. So, remember to look out for butterflies the next time you are outside. See you next time!